Hello everyone, I am going to discuss inheritance in Java. So what is inheritance in Java? Inheritance is very important OPS concept in Java. Inheritance can be defined as the process where one class acquires the properties, method, members, field of another class. Okay, the class which inherits the property of another class is known as subclass, derived class, or I can say that child class. The class which inherit the property of other class is known as subclass, derived class, child class, and the class whose properties are inherited is known as superclass, base class, and the parent class. Inheritance represent the is a relationship which is also known as the parent-child relationship, or I can say that superclass subclass relationship. Okay. So what is the benefit of inheritance? Why we use inheritance in Java? It is most important. Why we use inheritance in Java? Actually, basically, I use inheritance in Java for code reusability. Okay, so for code reusability, I used inheritance in Java, and for method overriding. Due to method overriding, I can achieve the runtime polymorphism. What are these terms used in inheritance? First is class. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. Second is subclass, child class, or I can say that derived class. Derived class is a class which inherits the property of another class. It is also known as derived class. Third is superclass, parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features, inherit the property. It is also called as base class or parent class. Now, what is the syntax of Java inheritance? What is the syntax of Java inheritance? For example, class, subclass name, extends, superclass name. Okay, by using extend keyword, I can implement the inheritance. Subclass is also known as the derived class, and superclass is also known as the base class. Suppose, for example, subclass name is A and superclass name is B. So class A extends class B. Class A extends B means derived class A will inherit the property of the base class B, means whatever I will define in the base class, that is B, method and the field, it will come automatically in the derived class using extend keyword. So the inheritance will increase the reusability of the code. Okay, so by using the derived class object, I can access the method and the field variables of the base class. It is called the inheritance. So here it is the inheritance example. So first of all, you should identify what is base class and what is the derived class. So here base class is employee, derived class is programmers. So class employee float salary is equal to 40,000. Class programmer extend employee, that is a derived class. So here the programmer derived class can inherit the property of the employee class. So whatever is there inside the employee class, I can access inside the programmer class using programmer object. So here in this example you can see that programmer object, that is P, can access the field of own class, that is bonus, as well as employee class, that is 40,000. So it is called code reusability. So whenever I will try to print the data members of own class and the base class, it can print using inheritance. It is possible using extend keyword using inheritance. So what is the output? Output is programmer salary is, that is 10,000, that is 40,000, because I can access the base class using derived class, and bonus of the programmer is 10,000. So output is 40,000, 10,000. Now I will discuss what are the types of inheritance in Java. There are three types of inheritance in Java. First is single level inheritance, second is multi-level inheritance, third is hierarchical level inheritance. Okay, so one important point you can note down: multiple inheritance is not supported in Java through class. Okay, in the next slide I will explain why multiple inheritance is not possible in Java through class, but multiple inheritance is possible in Java through interface. The first one is single inheritance. What is the single inheritance? It is simple. When a class inherits the another class, it is also known as the single inheritance. In the example given below, dog class, that is derived class, inherit the animal class. Animal class is base class or super class or parent class. So there is a single inheritance. Single inheritance means when a class inherits the property of another class. It is also known as single inheritance. Okay, so here you can see that class animal class is a base class. Inside the class it is a method void eat system.out.println eating. Class dog class is a derived class which is extending, which will inherit the property of base class, that is animal. So inside the dog class, inside the derived class, there is a method bark. So system.out.println barking. Okay, inside the class test inheritance, using dog object, it can access the own member, that is bark, as well as animal class data member also, that is eat. So d dot bark, what is the output of this? Dog d is equal to new dog. Now I am trying to print the output d dot bark, that is own class member of the derived class. It will print barking. D dot eat, that is eating. Okay, so the output is barking and eating. Now the second example of inheritance is multi-level inheritance example. When there is a chain of inheritance, it is also known as multi-level inheritance. For example, suppose class A and class B extend A, and one more class C extend B. Okay, so you can see that class A, then class B extend A, then class C extend B. So it is the chain of inheritance. It is called multi-level inheritance. So using class C object, I can access the member of class C as well as B as well as A. Okay, it is called the multi-level inheritance. So here you can see, here is the example of multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means a chain of inheritance. Class animal, one more class dog extend animal, then one more class baby dog extend dog. So you can see that it is a chain of inheritance. It is called multi-level inheritance. So inside the class animal there is a method eating. One derived class, that is dog extend animal. Inside the method is, that is barking. Now class baby dog extend dog, void weep. It is a method and I am printing weeping. So using, you can see that here, using baby dog object, I can access the member of that own class, that is weep, as well as dog class as well as animal class. So if I am trying to print d dot weep, that is weeping, d dot bark, that is barking, d dot eat, that is eating. So now output is weeping, barking and eating. So here you can see that it is multi-level inheritance. Using baby dog object, I can access the member of its own class as well as dog class as well as animal class. It is called multi-level inheritance. The third example of inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. When two or more class inherit a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. For example, suppose class A, class B extend A, class C extend A. So here two class, that is B, C, inherit a single class, that is A. So it is known as inheritance. It is known as hierarchical inheritance. Now here it is the example of hierarchical inheritance. So what is the hierarchical inheritance? Two or more class extend only a single class, that is called hierarchical inheritance. So here in this example you can see class animal. Inside the class animal there is a method eat system.out.println eating. Okay, so class dog extend animal, class cat extend animal. So here two class, that is dog and cat, that is derived class, extend only a single class, that is animal. So it is called hierarchical inheritance. So here class dog extend animal, here class cat extend animal. Whenever I will create an object of cat class, that is C, whenever I will try to print, that is C dot meow, it will print meowing, that is class C object, that is class cat object. When I am trying to print C dot eat, because class cat extend animal, so the animal class method will be print C dot eat, that is eating. When I am trying to print C dot bark, so it will give compile time error. Why? It will give compile time error. Why? Because class cat extend only animal class. Okay, but bark is a method of the dog class, so it cannot access. It will give compile time error. So the next is very important question: why multiple inheritance is not possible in Java through class? Okay, actually multiple inheritance is possible in Java through only interface, not the class. So I will see that with an example. So here with the help of example we will see that why multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. Here class A, inside the class A it is a method message system.out.println hello. Class B void message printing welcome. Now class C extend AB. It is means what it does mean, single class extending two class, that is a single class inherit two or more class. Whenever a single class inherit two or more class, it is called multiple inheritance. Suppose if it were, then what will happen? If I will create the class C object, that is obj, if I am trying to print obj.message, then I will get compile time error. Why? Because class C extending AB and class A and class B both using same message method. So here compile time error will come because which message method will be invoked, I don't know. Either of A class, either of B class will be run, but exactly I don't know which message method will be invoked. So that I can say that multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. Thank you.